All right, hi fourth graders. It's Mr. Steinberg. Want to say welcome to Connections Academy for the year 2020-21. Um, yeah, just welcome to fourth grade. I'm so excited. I'm very thankful that you're here, and just wanted to give everybody kind of a brief overview of who I am and some things to look forward to um, for this school year. So let's take a look. Oh, there we go. Okay, here I am. This is me. It's my family. So I have my wife Jinky to my left, well, on the screen, and then my daughter Sophia and my son Benjamin. This is my 15th year with the school, so I've been here a few years. I do have some time that I spent in Long Beach Unified School District, where I taught special day class for students who were in first, second, and third grade. And then coming here to Connections Academy, I did teach a little bit of middle school, but also mainly fifth grade for about 6 years, and then the last 9 years or so have been here in fourth grade, which I'm very thankful for. Uh, this is me again. This is as far as where I went to school. I'm very familiar with the campus at Long Beach State or Cal State Long Beach, that, as you can tell. So I got a degree in sociology, and then I got my teaching credential, and then I got a master's degree in educational technology. So again, if anybody knows the school, I know it too. If anybody out there went to Long Beach State, then yeah, we both know the school pretty well. Uh, so here are my kids again. Just some hobbies that we enjoy playing, well, at least for me, playing and watching sports. I love that stuff. Traveling, bike riding, listening to sports talk, music, anything like that. So I don't know if anybody else out there has similar interests, but if you do, I'd love to talk to you about them too. Or actually, if you have other things you're interested in, I'd love to talk to you about that too. So let's see here. How do you get in touch with me? So you can see my number on the screen there. That number you can always use to call or send a text message. At the beginning of a school year, it can be a little bit difficult to reach me by phone because there are a lot of phone calls to be made. But after that, I think phone calls are fine. The most efficient way or the best way is probably to send me a text message to ask for help or ask questions. And then if we have to, we can schedule a phone call, which is great. We do have Connexus webmail, so you're always welcome to use that as well. And I encourage not just the parents to contact me, but students. You guys talk to me also. Let me know how I can help or if you need help. And my hours are mainly going to be 8:30 to 3:30. Some days I'll be available a little bit earlier, some days a little bit later, but in general, that's kind of the window of time right there, 8:30 to 3:30, right around there. And again, if you have any questions or if you need help, just make a phone call, send a text, send a webmail, and reach out. So let's see what's coming up this year. So there's a lot that's going on that I'm excited about. So I'm just going to highlight these very briefly. I'm not going to go into great detail. I want to keep this video brief. But what I want students and parents to know is that the online gradebook is current and is always up to date. So no one is ever surprised about the progress or performance that students are demonstrating. And again, if you have any questions about the gradebooks or their grades or their lesson completion, just let me know and we can easily discuss it. Then we have our planners. The planners are fantastic. The planners are going to tell the students exactly what they need to do every single day. And the planners will also have little updates or reminders that you can add, like different appointments or things that you have during the day or the week. And I can add reminders as well, like live lesson reminders and things like that. Portfolio assignments. Portfolios are kind of related to gradebooks and planners because they show up on planners and then they end up in the gradebook as far as grades. I will say that portfolios are super valuable. Those are assignments that students will complete, ideally on their own, but if they require help, that's fine too. Portfolios are kind of heavily weighted, so it's important that they do get submitted. You never want to take a zero. in the gradebook for any portfolio. Portfolios are the kind of assignments where if a student doesn't achieve or earn full credit, they'll be given a second opportunity to earn full credit. So all you have to do is go into the gradebook and see the feedback that I leave, or check your email, and if you didn't earn full credit, then I'll explain exactly how to get full credit on those portfolio assignments. Live lessons. If you're new to the school, live lessons are what we use. That's our platform, similar to like Zoom or Google Meets, where we meet as a group, sometimes large groups, sometimes small group, where we meet to kind of go over kind of the state of the school, I guess, like where we should be at our lessons, portfolio assignments, how to complete them, different skills like in math, language arts, science, or social studies, things like that. So we kind of cover it all in our live lessons. So keep a lookout for invites or updates on planners for our live lessons. Now, live lessons, they're accessed through the student's homepage. So you go to your homepage and you'll see my name and a picture of me down on the right hand side somewhere, and then there'll be a little icon, has like two L's, like a double L. You click on that, and the students will be able to get in. So it has to be done on the student homepage, but not on the parent homepage. The message boards are super valuable. Those are the things that we're going to use to provide resources for different portfolio assignments and different subjects. So for example, if a student is trying to complete a portfolio for language arts and they're trying to write a narrative, if you go to the message boards, you'll find helpful resources that we provide, maybe student samples from previous years, or directions, or different strategies or tips on how to create a narrative that can earn full credit. And you do the same thing for math. If you need help with any kind of math portfolios or math skills, you go to the message boards. We'll have a lot of valuable resources, tutorials, videos, and different other helpful items. Study guides. Study guides will be super helpful for science and like social studies or California history. So you want to be sure to continue to check the message boards as often as possible, and we'll also send out information to kind of remind everybody to check the message boards for those resources. And finally, Flipgrid. Some of you may be familiar, or you've already used Flipgrid in the past. Flipgrid is something that is the first time I'm gonna use it this year, and so keep a lookout for information about joining Flipgrid, and that'll be your opportunity to get yourself out there. There's already one topic out there where I'm going to ask you guys to introduce yourselves so we can all kind of meet each other through Flipgrid. But we're going to use Flipgrid for different assignments or discussion questions, or going to give people an opportunity to use their voice, maybe in place of some maybe writing assignments or other assignments as well. So I want to give you that opportunity to kind of use the video platform as well as all the other skills that you have. So yeah, so there's a lot to look forward to. Again, super excited. It's going to be a great year, and I'm definitely looking forward to it. So that's about it. Don't forget, any questions, there's the phone number, call or text, webmail. If you have any kind of tech support issues, you can always call the 800 number, and if you don't know it, just ask me, and I'll be glad to provide it. But otherwise, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's well, hope everybody's safe, and yeah, we'll talk to everybody very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being here, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to get started. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye, everybody.